Advantages of Smart Cut Quote in the calculation of laser cutting costs. In the laser cutting industry, Smart Cut Quote stands out as a game changer, offering several advantages. Accuracy. Smart Cut Quote's precision ensures that business deliver consistent and trustworthy estimates, fostering enhanced client trust. Speed. Time-sensitive market demands are met with the software's ability to expedite the quotation process, outpacing traditional manual calculations. Cost efficiency. More than just calculating, Smart Cut Quote provides insights into the most economical methods, ensuring competitive rates and improved profit margins. User experience. With an innovative interface, the software allows users of varying expertise to navigate and generate estimates effortlessly. Integration. Its capacity to mesh seamlessly with other enterprise systems ensures streamlined workflows across departments. Material versatility. Adapting its calculations for diverse materials, from metals to plastics, ensures material-specific accuracy in every quote. Continuous upgrades. Staying current is key. Regular enhancements keep users abreast of industry developments, maintaining alignment with best practices. In summary, Smart Cut Quote is more than a tool. It's a crucial ally for businesses in the laser cutting domain. Emphasizing precision, speed, and adaptability, it aids firms in staying competitive and optimizing profitability. For more information or a free trial, please visit smartcutquote.com.